This is the Weather Extreme video. This is for Friday morning, the 26th of July. I'm James Spann. Ooh, it feels so good this morning. A little hint of fall in the air. Let's go in there and take a look at some of the Skycam shots around the network this morning. These were captured about 5:30. There's a trustful Skycam getting set for the sun to come up there. Ooh, look at the big barge on the Tombigbee River at Demopolis. Pushing that big old barge south down toward the Gulf of Mexico. The sky there is clear, and up in Haleyville, what a beautiful morning. I mean, it does not feel like July. Those spots up there are sitting around 60. Just delightful. Still got dry air at the surface. Now some high cirrus clouds pushing overhead this morning, but generally speaking, we think the day will be dry. Temperatures will stay pleasant. Again, there's a look at those nice lows early this morning. 61 for Cullman and Haleyville. Vic Bell up at Black Creek reported 60. Didn't see in the upper 50s. We got another crack at that early Monday morning of next week. That's when the next dry air mass comes down the pike. And around the nation, you can see that nice tongue of cooler air over the eastern half of the United States. Severe weather, not too many problems today. Around the Arklatex, there's a slight risk, and also over Wisconsin. Here's the rain for the next 5 days. Not very much, maybe a half inch up over North Alabama. We'll have scattered showers and storms tomorrow, but again, Sunday, another shot of dry air arrives. But everybody wants to talk about the tropics, so why not do that? This is Dorian. It doesn't look very healthy this morning on the satellite imagery. It's out there around 40 west and 18 north. It's fighting dry air. It's fighting southwesterly winds aloft, shearing. And there's no guarantee this thing will survive. I mean, it might fizzle out. Look at modeling, a very tight cluster. Models bring it over just north of Puerto Rico, north of Hispaniola, and then up toward the southeast Bahamas. And this is interesting. You talk about hodgepodge. This is the ensemble guidance from INSEP. And some members recurve it well off the East Coast. Some bring it up the East Coast, and some shoot it across into the Gulf of Mexico toward New Orleans. I mean, so who knows? When again, we don't even know if this thing is going to survive. There's just way too many questions on the board to even worry about it. If you're going to the Gulf or have a cruise or something, here's the intensity guidance, and most models keep it as a weak to moderate tropical storm across the board. And this is through 132 hours. Here's the official guidance from the NHC. They bring it toward the southeast Bahamas late Tuesday night of next week. And again, from there, will it recurve? Will it affect the East Coast? Will it try and run for the Gulf? We just don't know that yet. Will it come across Hispaniola and dissipate? So a lot of questions, and we'll just keep an eye on that. The confidence is very low what happens beyond 5 days. The GFS, by the way, just fizzles the thing out, which might happen. Let's take a look at the GFS. This is the OZ run, valid at 1 o'clock local time this afternoon. This is at 500 millibars. You can see the upper low that's up north, and energy from that will affect us tomorrow. But again, today looks pretty good. Sky should be mostly sunny. We figure in most locations the high today should be in the upper 80s. And hey, that's not too bad for this time of the year. The NAM is at 89. But look at this now. This is tonight at midnight. In advance of a surface boundary, the high-res NAM showing showers moving into northwest Alabama. And we're going to roll with this in a forecast. We'll mention a chance of showers tonight after midnight. And this is noon tomorrow, showing a number of showers around here. So we will mention the possibility of showers tomorrow. Don't think the rain will be all that heavy. It's not going to rain all day. You might see a little sun, but if you got something planned outdoors, just be ready for a few showers around. And then Sunday, a new surge of dry air comes down the pike. Lower dew points. In fact, the models have the dew points dropping into the 50s late Sunday, so that looks dry for the northern half of the state. And again, we'll roll with that in the forecast. Here's Monday. A really nice air mass settles in here, and I really do think we're going to see some 50s in the cooler pockets on Monday morning. And Monday should be a beautiful day. The high should be in the mid to upper 80s. Low humidity, just amazing for July 29th. And again, way down there in the corner of the screen, you can see Dorian that's trying to come up into the Bahamas. This is Tuesday, And really, the NAM wants to or the GFS wants to bring Dorian over Hispaniola, and it just dissipates. So you're not going to see Dorian on any panels really beyond this. And our weather here on Tuesday still looks pretty dry, maybe an isolated shower. Here's Wednesday of next week. Moisture comes back. That looks pretty typical. The chance of a few scattered afternoon storms. Thursday, scattered showers and storms. And a week from today, pretty typical looking map for early August. Westerlies up north, upper high to the west. Enough moisture for scattered showers and storms. And again, Dorian is just off the board. We'll check the 10th of August. This is the end of the forecast period. The higher heights are off to the west, but still a 591 flat ridge over us, but a big, deep moisture pool. And again, that would suggest a chance of scattered showers and storms. And the nice thing, across the board, no sign of any really excessively hot weather. It has been a very comfortable summer for us so far. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock today. If you can, catch us on ABC 3340 this evening on the live stream or the television side at 4, 5, 6, or 10 o'clock Central Time. Thanks for watching. Have a great Friday, and God bless.